Games aren't built overnight, and right now, I need to rebuild myself. So, I'm going to learn Unity, an engine I've never used before, and to see if I, a game designer, can code by the end of the video. You'll see me stumble, screw up, but maybe get something working. Right? That's the goal. So this week's challenge is obviously Unity, and I have no idea where to begin. There are so many tutorials out there. It's like tutorial hell. The more I watch, the more I'm like not understanding anything. Obviously, when you watch things too, you have to be doing it at the same time. Otherwise, you're not retaining information. I'm only kind of skipping through these videos to see if I like the way that they're teaching and I like the outcome. So I did go through tutorial hell, but instead of actually using YouTube for tutorials, I've decided to just go straight to the source. Unity has its own pathways where it will teach you the absolute basics. So that's what we're going to do. They made these learning pathways like quest, and I like that because it was easy to do and to follow, and I get XP at the end of it. Oh, and I also get a little badge. Oh, I shouldn't say that. So there are 5 learning pathways, and we're gonna go for what was it called again? I'm choosing the one that says Unity Essentials. That's the one. Yes. Right. We best get started because time's gonna keep ticking if I don't do anything about it. I used to feel like I had my career all figured out. I got a job as an associate game designer, climbed into a mid-level, to a point in my career where I knew what I wanted to specialize in. Then life hit the big reset button. So I'm going back to basics, starting from scratch. I'm going to learn Unity instead of Unreal Engine, and I'm going to drag you along with me. No polish, no shortcuts, just a messy, honest rebuild. Why am I having such a hard time rotating this slide? Leveled up, you've leveled up on your skill, Unity Essentials, congratulations, mission complete, 600 XP for completing the mission. 5 out of 5 correct. Well, technically it's a W. So that roughly took me 1.5 hours. It says it's a 2-hour and 10-minute course. It took me about 1.5 hours, so pretty proud of myself. Mission 3D Essentials. That one says it's going to take 2 hours. We're going to design a kid's bedroom with a bouncing ball and a tower of collapsing building blocks. We're 25% complete of the Unity Essentials. We should just get into the 3D Essentials now, shouldn't we? I'm starting to flag. I don't know if that makes sense really. You got the frame and then the image is on top of the frame. I'm just gonna double check it on the video. So the video showed me the way that I did it was correct. So I didn't watch the video first. I watched it as like a confirmation. My brain needs a break apparently. I've got the mission 2 quiz now, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really that confident. Level up! Okay, I've leveled up, and then congratulations, mission complete. And then I got 4 out of 5. No, we have to retake it. I'm retaking it. I didn't see which one was wrong, but I'm going to fix that. I got 5 out of 5. Okay, how long will that one take me? 3D Essentials is supposed to be 2 hours and 5 minutes. It was about 1 hour and 50 minutes. It wasn't too bad considering I started to really flag like halfway through. So it's time for a break and have more drinks. So you better hydrate with me and then have a snack because I need to stand up. I also wanted to show you where we're at. We're currently 43% and we've got mission for audio essentials, for programming essentials, 2D essentials, publishing essentials. So it should take me roughly about 6 hours if I calculated that correctly. I don't think I'll be finishing day 1 with all that done. I'll be really honest with you. I might get halfway through it. Maybe I'll just do the audio essentials for today and then tomorrow I'll come back and do programming essentials because I feel like that will really fry my brain. Okay, it's roughly 6:45. And it's time to try and tackle the audio essentials, which should hopefully take me 45 minutes. So it should be done by 7:30. But we'll see. So far, following this learning pathway has made it really easy to get into Unity. The step-by-step is well paced out, and having the boxes like the inspector window flash at my face really helped me navigate the program. Also, the quizzes are a nice touch to go back over the mission that you've just done, and I do like to be a completionist here. So I'd count today's success. I did a lot of the Unity essentials, but I'm going to call it that. I'll see you tomorrow. It's day 2, and apparently we're going to be doing a little bit of coding. I'm a little bit scared. I'm a little bit excited. This is so cool. This tutorial, you get to choose like the character that you want to create and play with. So you can be a robot, vacuum sucking up dirt, a toy car getting stars, wind-up mouse finding cheese, and an alien UFO collecting gemstones. So they have all these assets already for you, which thank goodness. I kind of want to do the mouse. Reminds me of Merlin. Merlin gets told he's a little rat because he's such a big hamster. Oh wait. Such as Visual Studio. Visual Studio. Yes, we're going into Visual Studio. Oh my gosh. Wow. My first line of code and it's an error.
Huh?
Ooh. Oh, this back and forth, but like turning is weird. It's like crazy, just a little bit crazy. Honestly, writing code was definitely the most difficult part for me. I would have preferred if having someone explain and talk me through it. Like, I'm sure I would have learned quicker and a lot from my previous colleagues, but this is good enough. It's always fun seeing something come to life, even if it's a little sideways. Oh, it's just not turning correctly. Why is it rotating on the x-axis, even though it's 0? Huh? Wait, where am I? Oh, why is that not a thing? I can't figure out how to get the autocomplete suggestions. Apparently my development environment does not support it, and I don't know why. I'm 4 steps in and I'm like losing the will to live. Why does it come up for some things and it doesn't for others? Like, I don't get it. Why? Oh, the error message is gone. I think it could be that one space, I think. Or maybe like positioning it in a specific column. I don't know. I just made everything tidy. It's time to do the quiz. I'm not very hopeful, I'll be honest, but I'm going to do it. I got 4 out of 6 correct. Wait, I'm gonna retake it. So the main reason why I redo the quizzes is because I'll go back, reread it, try to understand it better, and then I can memorize it that way. I got a 6 out of 6 now, thank goodness. However, it is 7 o'clock and I'm about to stream in an hour, so I need to go feed myself. So I don't have time for 2D essentials today. We'll have to do it tomorrow. I'll see you on stream though if you're around. Day 3, and we've got learning a 2D scene. What's it called? 2D essentials and publishing essentials. Let's lock in. I found that one actually really fun. Like, I can get the appeal of doing 2D games. I mean, I love 2D games anyway because you get more, stylized stuff out of it. But definitely found it really fun. Maybe I'll make a 2D game, who knows. So all in all, I would say that took us an hour to complete instead of an hour and 25. So we We did well, I think. So I think I'm gonna take a mini break because the next one's about 2 hours and 35 minutes. So let's take a break and come back and finish the last one. And I can't believe we're going to be finishing it in 3 days. The break that I had, well, it went on longer for than I anticipated. It's currently 9:15 and I'm kind of determined to actually do the publishing essentials so that we can call it a day. But it's like 2.5 hours. We're gonna just do it. We're just gonna do it. If I can't figure things out and I know that I'm too tired, then I'll just like get showered and go to bed. So let's begin, shall we? Okay, select file, build profiles, platform split, select web. I'm so close, I'm so close. Please, please, please. There's literally no publish button. Why is there no publish button? I decided to try and upload it to the play.unity.com. Ugh. I don't even think it's playable on there. It's been an hour now in total. And I think this is the end of this. I even tried like checking out YouTube videos, forums and stuff like this, and it just was nothing was working. Let's just call that done. I've managed to export it as a WebGL. Technically it's done. And I'm getting tired. Challenge of the bonus scene sounds fun. And then maybe I'll be able to get the menu working again. Good night. I'm gonna be really honest with you. It's Friday. My absolute motivation to finish this has literally gone down the drain. And I'm on like the last part of the publishing essentials. I think after the publish to web malarkey, it's just kind of like, yeah, you can do your own thing now. This is where I kind of left off. Then I tried to like add this part in, and it's like complete your 3D adventure. That just feels like a whole different part that shouldn't be part of the publishing essentials. Do you understand where I'm coming from? I would say we completed the pathway. I mean, the last part was very like, I won't talk about that. But here's the official completion. Following Unity's learning pathway for my first time in Unity has been a really positive experience. And I also have a final product. Like, I can play this and I can also just take the skills that I've learned in this and make a different game. Just like change the assets and maybe tweak it a little bit. And I think that's really, really good. So if you're also rebuilding yourself or just enjoy watching me suffer through Unity, then yeah, hit subscribe and follow along. You should definitely stick around for the next video. Hit subscribe if you're brave enough.